Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ExcelVBA Expert. In today's video, we are going to learn 7 Google App Script commands, especially for beginners. Alright, whatever I have written here, the 7 commands we will be writing. Okay, in the Google App Script. Okay, these are the 7 commands. Definitely, is going to be very helpful for the beginners who all are on initial stage, who all are actually learning the app scripting, right? So let's start to do it. The first, that how to print anything in the Google Sheet range. All right, let me take you to the Google Sheet range. This is the Google Sheet. All right, and now what I want is I want to print from A1 to D10. Okay, for example, I want to print only X ABC, for example. So how you can do that? Okay, what would be the command? So you need to write like this: spreadsheet dot get active spreadsheet. All right, get active sheet, then get range. In the range you need to provide the range. Okay, from where to where you want to print the value. From A1 to D10 I want to print the value. Set value ABC, for example. All right, and now as I already told you that press Ctrl R. Okay, it will first save the code, then it will automatically execute the code itself. Okay, so I am pressing Ctrl R. I pressed. All right, it is running. Now you see, from A1 to D10 that we have written here, ABC, right? So this is the command, all right, which you actually guys can you know learn and start to execute, start to do practice on this particular line. All right, okay. Next, what next? This we have done. How to set a background color? For example, we have written this ABC from A1 to D10. Now I want to set the background color as a green. Then how I can do that? First, for example, I'm deleting it. Okay, not I'm deleting. For example, I'm just creating one more app script here. Okay, in this app script 2. All right, here what I'm going to do, I'm gonna write the code, okay, in the app script, which will help me to to set the background color as a green. Okay, from A1 to D. All right, not even A1 to D. For example, if the data will be getting an increase, if I will execute that code, that will automatically capture the data dynamically. It should be capture the data, and dynamically it should color the data. All right, so how? First you need to declare one variable to store the last row number. The spreadsheet dot active spreadsheet get active sheet dot get last row. Okay, that's what you need to do. Next, what next you need to do? Spreadsheet get active sheet dot get range. In the range from A1 to D, but you don't know the row number, so plus LR. All right, and set the background color as green. All right, now let's press Ctrl R. I'm pressing Ctrl R. Now you see it is saving the project first of all. Okay, and then it will get executed. You see all the green. For example, I'm now increasing the data A B C. Okay, I just increase the data till here. If I will execute it, then it will run. I mean, it will definitely color all the data which I have increased, which I have extended. Control R I'm pressing. All right, now you see dynamically it is, first of all, it is capturing the last row. Okay, then it is it is then after that, after capturing the last row, it is setting the color in the background, okay, as a green. All right, so the second also we did. How to delete columns? For example, I do have this data. Now I want to delete A, B and C. Then how I can do that? All right, so how to delete the column? That is a simple question. All right, app script app s3. All right, I'm writing here spreadsheet dot get active spreadsheet dot get active sheet dot delete columns, right, from 2 to 3. Sorry, from 2 to 3 I want to delete. All right, second and third column I want to delete, right? So now let's execute. Control R. Now you will see completed. Now you see, but data we it actually decrease more data, right? Just again I just increase the data. Again I just copied and paste the column A in B C D. Now let's see, it should be, let's make some changes in the data first, all right? Otherwise let's make it as yellow, all right, so that you will be able to identify which is getting deleted or which is not getting deleted. Blue, and this would be, for example, little red, all right. I want to delete only blue and this little yellow one. Column position, all right, 2. And after that how many, okay, how many is that? After that you want to delete 2, all right. Now let's run it, control R. Now you see, all right, now it is working quite good. So you need to define, okay, from which column, okay, and after that column how many column that you want to delete, right? That's what actually you need to specify there. Okay, that is what, okay, where sometimes user actually get confused. Okay, and sometimes it we will have to be very very conscious when we are giving the index number, I mean index number especially, okay, in the delete columns syntax, all right. So the third one also we did. How to delete data? For example, we deleted the column. Now I want to delete only data from B1 to B14. Okay, so how? Let's insert one more editor. Okay, right here is spreadsheet, get active spreadsheet, get active sheet dot get range. All right, here from B1 to, you can also make it dynamic. So for, if for the time being I'm just making it as a static B14 dot clear. Okay, and open and close bracket, don't forget it to put it, all right, otherwise it will not execute it, it will not work. I'm pressing Ctrl R. You see, we have a data right now here. Okay, now you see it all actually cleared. If you don't want to clear the color, if you want to only clear the values, so what you need to do, you just need to remove the clear and put here clear content, all right. Control R. Now you see, all right, it is working quite good. Fourth also we did. How to do copy and paste, how we can copy the data and how we can paste the data. For example, I am you know for example, this is the data, I want all this data to be pasted in H1. How we can do that? What would be the code? Let's insert one more you know editor. Here first of all you need to define the target range where you are targeting to pasting the data. Okay, so I'm just declaring one variable, sheet name spreadsheet dot get active spreadsheet dot get range would be, sorry, get active sheet as well, get active sheet as well, then get range H1. All right, now let's copy the data, spreadsheet dot get active spreadsheet get active sheet dot get range, all right, from A1 to, for example D14, all right, D14, make it dynamic. Okay, I told you that how we can make it dynamic. Dot copy 2, all right, copy 2. And after that you need to define here the target, the target range which we declared, which we declared in the first line, sh dot name. That's it. Press Ctrl R. Now you will see, right, it is very very easily, we can copy and paste it, simple. We are basically moving this data from here to here. Okay, indirectly we also can consider it as that we are copying and pasting the data. All right, and I will tell you, I will elaborate, I will I will be elaborating about it more, okay, in the upcoming videos. All right, done. Now the second, how to add sheet, how we can add the sheet, one sheet only. Okay, how we can add the sheet in the bulk, that we will be learning when we will learn the loop. After the loop we will be able to achieve these kind of requirements. So here you guys can see only the one sheet I have by the name of sheet 4. I want to have here one more sheet by the name of Akash. Okay, how we can do that? Okay, let's insert one more editor here. F4. Okay, spreadsheet dot active spreadsheet. Here you need to write here insert sheet. Okay, what sheet, by which sheet name that you want to insert, for example Akash. Okay, press Ctrl R. You see here we will have one more sheet here, Akash. You see, after sheet 4, now we have also one Akash sheet. Okay, this is the small one line of a code that we have, which will be performing. Why I'm telling you all these kind of things, why is one line I am teaching you in every tutorial. The reason being is only this ki when we will be doing the big projects, so these are the small line, okay, we will be using there, because when we are doing big projects, so we need to delete the columns, we need to insert the column, we need to put the colors, we need to define the data type and a lot of things. So this is why I'm telling you that one line you guys need to be aware, so that when we will be writing the code in the bulk, so therein you should not be confused. This is why I'm telling you, okay, from the scratch. All right, now that last one, how to change the font color. For example, I do have here, you know black. I want to have here white color. Then I'm just deleting it, and spreadsheet dot active spreadsheet get active sheet, get range from A1 to D14. I want to change set font color, okay, as white. Press Ctrl R. That's it. Now you see, you guys can see the white we do have, right? So one line of a code that will be very very powerful for you guys when we will be doing the big project. All right, I hope guys you have liked this video, and these are the 7 commands. Okay, and if you guys having any kind of question, please do let me know in the comment box, and I will definitely reply you back. All right, so thank you so much everyone for watching the video, and let's meet in the next video with us with the more commands. Okay, with the more commands, wherein most probably we are going and we will be learning how we can declare the variable. I already told you, but I will be telling you in the detail. And before and after that, we will be starting to having the understanding about the loop and the if condition and so on, right? So the loop session is about to come very soon, because without the loop that we will not be able to do the big projects, right? So we need to do a lot. Okay, so start to learn it. Okay, these are the small commands only. When you will have a very good command over all these kind of the small commands, then you will be able to you will be able to work on the big projects. All right, so thank you so much everyone for watching the video. Bye bye.